Anyone can tell we begin the day or we must begin the things with what? Very good. Good. No one said brushing the teeth because that's a normal thing. So, as sister also says, we need to get the blessings and we will begin the program with a prayer song. No. With Hemlata ma'am, there is going to be no students in the chorus. There are going to be teachers. So please give a big hand to your teachers. Do we ever do hooting when there is a prayer song? Yes or no? No, only the girls are saying no. The boys, beta, miles. Where, जैसे आप लोगों को समझ में नहीं आ रहा ना, उसको भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा और उसे सब गड़बड़ कर दी और उस बच्चे को भगवान गाइड करते हैं and then the blessings come for your children's day, the wishing. So please welcome the teachers of Red House with their song 100 Miles. Please be quiet. wish you wish you all. Once again, Happy Children's Day. Going to the school. स्कूल चले हम बैग लेके ड्रेस में, वो कैसे मिस हो सकता है? तो चलो अब हम स्कूल चलते हैं, ठीक? अब आप बोलेंगे हम तो स्कूल में ही हैं। जी, द स्टूडेंट्स विल बी योर टीचर्स। Okay. Save your excitement. Next program is musical enactment of poem. This is in both Hindi and English. बेटा प्लीज सुन लो, मैं तुम्हारे लिए ही बोल रही हूँ, है ना? और ये आपका ब्लू हाउस की टीचर्स आपके सामने प्रेजेंट कर रही हैं। स्कूल चले हम। Please welcome your teacher.
चिड़ियाँ घोंसलों से निकल रही हैं, स्कूल की घंटी बज गई है, बच्चे सब स्कूल जा रहे हैं, हम भी तैयार हैं, स्कूल चले हम, मिलकर स्कूल चले।
teachers of Greenhouse. ठीक? Okay. I understand you're excited. And the first song is छोटा बच्चा समझ के मुझको ना समझाना रे. So please welcome. अब ताली बजाओ.
2, 1.
छोटा बच्चा जान के ना कोई आंख दिखाना रे टुकी टुकी टक टक टुकी टुकी टक टक अकल का कच्चा समझ के हमको ना समझाना रे टुकी टुकी टक टक टुकी टुकी टक टक भोली सूरत जान के हमसे ना टकराना रे टुकी टुकी टक टक टुकी टुकी टक टक नाच नचा देंगे छोटा बच्चा जान के ना कोई आंख दिखाना रे टुकी टुकी टक टक टुकी टुकी टक टक अकल का कच्चा समझ के हमको ना समझाना रे टुकी टुकी टक टक टुकी टुकी टक टक
झटका जरा सा महसूस हुआ है लाइफ की गाड़ी ने कस के मारा ब्रेक हो रहा है क्यों कंफ्यूज मेरे दिल मशवरा मेरा यू आजमा के देख यही उम्र है गलती से mistake, 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 बेटा
शहों में पत्ते गा रहे हैं फूलों में भंवरे गा रहे
दीवाने खिलने गा रहे हैं ये पक्षी गा रहे
वो बगियों में फूलों पूरी हो रही है गुफ्तगू जैसा फिल्मों में होता है हो रहा है खूब
आई 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 सुनी दुबी कंपारा सुनी दुबी परापा सुनी दुबी कंपारा सुनी दुबी परापा
Listen carefully because here comes from Red House, Arina ma'am and Varka ma'am to tell you more about Children's Day. Arina ma'am, Varka ma'am delivering a speech on Children's Day.
Morning, respected Sister Principal, Mother Manager, sisters, teachers, and my dear children. Today we celebrate Children's Day, a day dedicated to each and every one of you. As your teacher, we are honored to be a part of your life. Children are the world's most valuable resource and its best hope for the future, said John Kennedy. You are the leaders of tomorrow, and it's our responsibility to empower you with knowledge, skills, and values. I want to share a story of Malala, a young girl from Pakistan who fought for her right to education and inspired many people worldwide. You too can make a difference. You too can bring the change maker, be the change makers. So let's make a pledge today to respect one another, to care for one another, to strive for excellence in everything we do, and to never give up, no matter what the circumstances are. To smile, laugh, and enjoy the journey. Remember, you are the future. Remember, you are the hope. Wish you very happy Children's Day. May God bless you all.
लोग निकले हैं अंतरिक्ष में तारों को ढूंढने और हमने इस धरती पर सितारों को चुना है। स्कूल हो या घर, मीठी बोली से लुभाते हो आप सभी का मन। कभी रूठना मनाना, कभी सीखना सिखाना, मस्ती भरी इस दुनिया में हमने फूलों के रूप में आपको चुना है। लोग निकले हैं अंतरिक्ष में तारों को ढूंढने और हमने इस धरती पर सितारों को चुना है। आने वाले कल में कोई बनेगा नेता, कोई डॉक्टर, वकील, शिक्षक, तो आप में से कोई होगा अभिनेता। नैतिकता का रखकर ध्यान आप सभी बने अच्छे इंसान। नैतिकता का रखकर ध्यान आप सभी बने अच्छे इंसान। शिक्षक के रूप में बस इतना सा ख्वाब होना है। लोग निकले हैं अंतरिक्ष में तारों को ढूंढने और हमने इस धरती पर सितारों को चुना है। धन्यवाद।
Happy Children's Day.
Musical skit for you. Again you will see yourself over here in different shades, studious, naughty, even cheating. Please welcome the teachers of Greenhouse with their musical skit.
Little lights, good morning. So good morning everyone.
Swag the colors of the प्रेशर कुकर जैसे सर की बच जाए न सीटी तब तक मार रट्टा मार ओ पटक पटक के सर गिरा दे नॉलेज की दीवार रट्टा मार चढ़ जाए जो बुखार कॉफी से तू उतार खिस खिस के भेजा कर ले दे हार यार रट्टा मार रट्टा मार
5 minutes before exam.
कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे कंधों से कदम मिलते हैं हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं
Everyone sit down in your seats.
तुम्हें जो मैंने देखा तुम्हें जो मैंने जाना तुम्हें जो मैंने देखा तुम्हें जो मैंने जाना जो आशिया वो तो गया लगे ज्यादा से बोल छू मैं लगे जा कुछ सीखा।
Time over. Give your answer sheets back.
अच्छा चलता हूँ दुआ तेरे जिक्र का जुबां पे सुबह रखना। अच्छा चलता हूँ दुआ में याद रखना मेरे जिक्र का जुबां पे सुबह।
Finally, time to say goodbye to school life.
यारो दोस्ती बड़ी ही हसीन है ये ना हो तो क्या फिर बोलो ये जिंदगी है कोई तो हो राज़दार बेगरज तेरा हो यार कोई तो हो राज़दार।
Superhero? Superhero? Are you all superheroes?
Yes, we all are superheroes.
Well, superheroes have superpowers. So which superpowers are you all having?
I have the power of courage. I have the power of forgiveness. I have the power of kindness. I have the power of patience.
I have the power of helping others.
I have the power of faithfulness.
I have the power of thankfulness. I have the power of love.
I have the power of being hopeful.
Oh, so these are real superpowers.
Yes, we all are superheroes. And our real power lies in doing good and make this world a pleasant place to live.
serving others as a way of serving Christ. The story has been told in different versions by various authors, but the one we are going to present today is based on a short story by the Russian writer Leo Tolstoy, where love is, God is. Matthew chapter 25, verse 42 to 45. I was hungry, and you gave me no food. I was thirsty, and you gave me no drink. I was a stranger, and you did not take me in. Naked, and you did not clothe me. Sick, and in the prison, and you did not visit me. This is Martin, a shoemaker who lives alone in the basement of a shop. He had a wife and children, but they died. Well, yes, life was unkind to him. He had every reason to be rude and unkind. But he was a godly man. Every day, after finishing all his work, he used to read the Bible and pray. One night, while reading the Bible, he got so absorbed that he sleeps at the working table itself. In his dreams, he heard a voice. Martin, Martin, I am pleased with you. Tomorrow, I will surely come to meet you. The next morning, he wakes up with excitement and zeal. He knows that God will show up today. He cleans his house, decorates his shop, since he was a shoemaker, he packed a pair of shoes for God. Well, the best one. Then he sits down to relax and thinks, that's how wonderful the sight would be when God will show up. He looks out to see if God has arrived or not. But he sees an old man approaching his shop. He could barely walk. His feet were bruised and bleeding. He had no shoes, and it was cold too. Martin could not see that man in pain. His heart gets filled with mercy. He runs out and makes the man sit. He nursed his wounds, and gave him the pair of shoes he made for God. the best pair of shoes he had. Now, what will he give to God? While he was thinking, he sees an old woman carrying heavy load on her back. Looking tired and weary, he goes to meet her and brings her in. He offers water to her. And gives food to her. She eats and drinks. She was really hungry and thirsty. After quenching her thirst and filling her stomach with some food, she gets up, thanks him, blesses him, and goes away. Now Martin has no food to offer to God and no gift to give. He gets worried. He thinks, that I will say sorry to God. Surely, next time, I will do my best. While he was thinking, he could hear somebody crying. He runs out to find who it was. He sees that there is a child who has lost her way and doesn't know where to go. He immediately consoles the child. And goes along. And drops her safely at her doorstep and rushes back home. He thinks that now it's getting late. God did not show up today. Or maybe he came when I went out to drop that girl at her home. Disappointed Martin sits and prays and cries before God and said, "Why is it, Lord, that your feet delay? Have you forgotten that this was the day?" Then soft in the silence, a voice he heard, "Don't you know me, Martin? Lift up your heart, for I kept my words. 3 times I came to your friendly door. 3 times my shadow was on your floor. I was the man with bruised feet. I was the woman you gave to eat. I was the child on the homeless street." Matthew chapter 25 verse 40. "Truly, as I say to you, as you did it to one of the least of these my brothers, you did it to me." Thank you.
हंसते हैं, कभी गाते हैं, कभी रोते हैं और कभी परेशान भी होते हैं। तो हमारा नेक्स्ट प्रेजेंटेशन है एक मैशअप सॉन्ग, हंसते गाते। आर यू रेडी टू गो इनटू दिस जर्नी हंसते गाते? आओ अब शुरू करें। अरे वो एक गाना था ना, अरे वो लकड़ी घोड़ा टकबक 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 टकबक। हाँ डोरेमोन चलेगा। is not yet over. We have another surprise for you. And this time, it is Sister Rita presenting a dance to you. Please welcome.
ఇటు బస్తీల మస్తు కట్టవుతూ వచ్చిన మండే సొట్టు కిక్కే సారక ఓడైతు ఎక్కిటు కూతులెట్టు సందుల మందు కోసం ఎందుకు తాటే రోడ్డు సిగ్గు చీరగట్టుకోని చెడు పేరు మెరిసినట్టు పొట్లం కట్టిన బిర్యానీకి పొట్టు బిల్ల పెట్టినట్టు పల్ల మీద నిల్సోనుందిరో ఓ సందమామ సుఖదాగక చక్కరొచ్చెరో చిరుదమ్మావ చిక్కలెక్క దుంకుతుండెరో ఆ సందమావ చుట్టి జారి చిక్కుకుందిరో నా దిల్లుకు మావ రాములో రాములా నన్నాగం చేసిందిరో రాములో రాములా నాగం చేసిందిరో రాములో రాములా నన్నాగం చేసిందిరో రాములో రాములా నాగం చేసిందిరో
Like to request our Reverend Sister Principal, Sister Sophie, to please come up on the stage and give us a precious words of wisdom. Sister Sophie, we all are waiting to hear you. Children, will you hear Sister with such...
I wish you all a very happy Children's Day. And it is your day, so I called you to enjoy. But you have to make yourself enjoying by being your best. Did you enjoy the program? How was it? You have to say super. Raise your hands and say super. Yes. Very good. So, our teachers deserve a big round of applause. Give them a huge round of applause. Yes. Good. So it was the hard work and steady support of our dear teachers, those who wanted to make you delighted this day by giving their best to you. But you did not behave the best. So you make sure every time, whenever you be present here, you have to make sure you are giving your best. wish you all a very, very happy Children's Day today and enjoy your day. And make sure you make all your elders, parents as well as teachers happy. So by becoming a person of happiness, you can give happiness to others, and that is your future. And I am very much indebted to our teachers. Without telling them a big thank you, I cannot go down, because they have worked so many days and spent their time, and even their family members being hungry waited, so that today's our program became so colorful. So a big thanks to each and every staff here for making this day a beautiful and colorful one. So thank you everyone, and even to the teachers, the child within you, I wish a happy Children's Day. I wish the next time you are going to behave your best, not this way. Okay? So keep your discipline and be the best in life. So I wish you all the best and a wonderful day ahead. Thank you.
I now hand over the mic to our head girl, Vatsala.
A very good morning to everyone present here, our teachers, sisters and all the students. And today, on behalf of everyone and especially the students, I would like to express our deep gratitude to everyone who has presented the entire program and each and every one of you for making our day special. To our teachers whose nurturing our talents and well-being have been really commendable job, and our parents whose encouragement and throughout support has led to our well-being and our manners. To our parents, dear all, your presence and support have made us this grown up and with all the values that we have in ourselves. So thank you very much for that, and all the teachers who are our other parents, not more, not less than our parents, who are here to take care of us. Thank you very much for being with us throughout our journey. I wish a very happy Children's Day to that child which is present in all of us, no matter what age we are, how much grown up we are. A very happy Children's Day to all of you, and I thank every one of you for this wonderful program. Also, we witnessed that side of our teachers which was not visible to us till date. So thank you very much for that. It was a blissful day with all of you.